Hi, this is a review of the Breville Smart Oven. Now, I've had this oven for over a year, and I just want to comment on some of the features and why I think it's such a great oven. First of all, the size of the pan inside is 13-inch diameter, which is great for many pizzas. It has an enamel baking pan inside that you can put in, and a broil rack. It comes with a crumb tray that you can pull out and wash, because you get a lot of crumbs from whatever you're baking or oils that can seep in down there. Easily comes out, and the handle is very ergonomically designed so that you can pull it out, and when you do pull out the handle, the rack rolls out itself, comes out there. In terms of the design, the top does get warm, especially if you have it on a high temperature for a long time. The surfaces are hot. There's an auto-eject rack which comes out. You can see that. It just rolls out, and this rack can go higher or lower depending on what you want or how you want to cook. Now, just to give you an idea of what this oven can do, there's toast, various levels of toast. Let's say you do start it. For example, an average toast will be 4 minutes. And when the time runs down, I'm just accelerating the clock here. As you can tell, that's the end of it. The toaster oven will stop, and it just gives you that alarm that it's finished. Now let's move on to the other settings. There's a bagel settings, baking. Now if you're into Fahrenheit or Celsius, there's a button, converts to Celsius or Fahrenheit. Very easy. You don't have to use convection. It's a little fan that rotates hot air for better temperature. A lot of larger ovens have that. This toaster oven has it. There's also a frozen button, so if you have something that's frozen and you're putting it into the oven, then you might want to use that function that detects how to heat frozen material more efficiently. Now there's a roast button, broil. They're not buttons, they're actually options that I'm using to rotate a knob. Pizza, cookies, you can reheat things or just keep them warm at fixed temperatures. So you want to keep something at 100 Celsius. Well, there you go. It'll be fixed at 100 degrees Celsius or 210 Fahrenheit for 1 hour, or you can rotate the clock. You can put convection on while it's doing that. Now, a lot of people want to roast. You can roast 450 degrees Fahrenheit. That's the max. For broil, we can get up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, which is 260 Celsius. We can throw in there some convection. It's up to you, or you don't have to. So you might be able to hear the fan now working. But that's how the screen looks. The great thing about this is you have the start cancel button, and this is how you rotate between. Let me show you the different menus. The function key. You have the convection button there. See? Just push that. And you have a temperature knob here. And it feels great because it's aluminum. So it goes in increments of 10 degrees, 5 degrees at some points. And then you have the final knob, which is the time knob. Fahrenheit, Celsius button, and the frost button. So I really like this because you can manipulate the different types of things that you want to cook. Usually I do toast, fries, pizza, sometimes meat, hamburgers, but cookies, it's great for cookies. You can always turn on and off the convection. It's up to you. You can manipulate the time if you want to add more time or decrease the time. So it's just very, very easy to use and very efficient. And there you have it. Overall, it's an outstanding oven. It's very intelligent, easy to use, very intuitive. The knobs are incredible. The size of the toaster oven is large enough that you can cook almost anything, from a roast to a pizza. You can broil things, you can reheat them, you can make things like cookies, dough, and it looks really nice with the aluminum finish. Now this is the older model. There's probably a new one out now in 2017, 2018, but this system is great. Overall, I think this is a great toaster oven. It's excellent for cooking pizza, cookies, fries, even roast, hamburgers, or little things, and almost anything you want to cook, broil, or bake. It's very efficient, and since I've gotten it, I don't really use the large oven, save on electricity. The knobs are very intuitive, the temperature control, the time, the convection. It's well designed, has the pull-out tray, has different levels for the tray inside, and I would highly recommend this Breville oven.